Hi, and welcome to Wade's Weekly Update. I am Wade Byers, the helpful mortgage man with First Community Mortgage here in the Mt Juliet, Middle Tennessee area. So this week I want to talk a little bit about credit scores. I, of course, am not a credit counselor. However, I have a very good working knowledge of exactly, what can impact your score. So in the coming weeks, we will discuss exactly where your credit score comes from. But this week, I really just kind of wanted to touch on what's a good credit score and what your credit score means, etc. So credit scores can range from 300 to 850. Obviously, 300 being the worst case scenario, about as low as it can get, and 850 being as good as you could possibly get. So in a mortgage situation, you're looking to be around 620 credit score to qualify for any mortgage. In some cases, you can go below that, but very, very few places are willing to lend below a 620 credit score. Above a 680 is considered good. Above a 750 is really considered excellent. So, and of course, the higher your credit score is, the more options you're going to have, the better kind of deal you can probably get. So there's really a lot of importance in trying to keep up with what's going on with your credit. In a mortgage situation, again, a 680 credit score is going to get you to a position where you have some options, different types of loan scenarios that might fit for you. So now below a 680 credit score, you can still qualify for a mortgage. However, you just might have a few options eliminated. You just might not have as many options as you would with a higher credit score. So if you're not sure what your score is and you're considering buying a home in the near future, the best advice I can give you is to get started early. Speak to a mortgage professional, see where you stand as far as you're qualifying. If there are credit issues, you will have time to either get them corrected if there's things that are incorrect on there, and of course have some time to do some things to get your score up if you need to. So I can tell you the biggest thing I see, credit card balances. You want to keep your credit card balances about 40% of what the available limit is. When you go above that, it does start having an impact on your credit score, and keeping those down will actually help build your score to a higher level. So, keeping those credit cards at about 40% of what their available balance is a good key for everybody, and it's really the most common thing I see on credit reports that affects the score is the credit cards being too high. So again, if you have questions on credit score, mortgages, anything I can help you with, certainly give me a shout. Call my cell phone, shoot me a text, 615-335-3356. Feel free to reach out anytime. I'll be glad to do what I can to help you. And again, I'm Wade Byers, the helpful mortgage man with First Community Mortgage. Everyone have a great rest of the week and weekend, and we'll talk to you next week. Bye.